Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Join us and subscribe for more.
In this tutorial, we'll explore the process of adjusting the font size in Illustrator. An alternative method to resize the font involves holding down the Shift key and using the right mouse button. Simply select the font box and press the left mouse button to reveal size options. To access the text panel and adjust the font size, press the Control key and simultaneously press the T button.
We aim to offer you the most informative videos available. If you encounter any offensive material, kindly leave a comment below.